Hi guys, good morning. So yeah, let's be serious. I've just spent probably the last half an hour marveling at the charts that I'll show you in a minute. Marveling at the ones we've been calling for the last couple of weeks. ADA, XRP, XLM. I mean, we've been saying it with the daily chart that the strength is there. And yeah, they've been running, and every time they pull back, they keep getting bought up. So this is the power of the system that we have here at Masters of Trading. I'm very proud of it. And if you're not in on the action, please get in on it. Get in on it. We need to make some money. We need to make life-changing money, and now is the time. So it is Friday, the 22nd of November. It is 7:43 for me. So that's going to be 6:43 for my UK buddies. Yeah, where are we at? Look at this. We are pushing beautiful. Um, yeah, I think yesterday we looked at this and the weekly was pulling back a bit, wasn't it? But then it's flicked back up, looking strong. Here, yeah, we're getting close to beating these highs on relative price, which is nice. And then over here, yeah, 3 monthly looking like it's trying its best. Monthly's looking good. Monthly's a buy. Monthly's a really beautiful buy there. And even though the monthlies are buyers, we can still have like a couple of weeks of a pub. I mean, even this was like a buy over here. Then you've got like a couple of weeks sideways and a pullback. But we could still have a couple of weeks where we roll and try and pull back. Um, and then yeah, I mean, it's possible, but it's looking good. That's one hell of a candle of market cap coming in. Where else? Let's go and have a bit of a reflection on the monthlies. I mean, what we had a breakout, that was probably like a huge candle, and then we had like a few more. Did it on breakout, huge. Yeah, relative price was making new highs, so we had power candles. We've got a power candle over here. I'm just trying to figure out why. Is it the daily? Nope. Is it the 2 day? Nope. Is it the 3 day? It's the 3 day. That's making new highs, um, which is good. Yeah, one thing is, I just want to be careful. I mean, we've got this trajectory here now, which is pretty good. I mean, wherever we pull back to, we'll bounce off this and then and go again. Um, we could end up with divergence. We are below the 2 day, 3 day on whip trend, but there's a lot of strength there. So I'm quite optimistic about continuing. But I am prepared for the 4 hour here. It's turning into a sell, isn't it? Um, but then we're also grinding higher there on the 4 hour. We've made higher highs here. We're not getting as high as these here. So we have divergence at the moment as it stands. We have divergence on relative price, and then yeah, good strength there on the whip trend. So um, yeah, things looking good, but be prepared for any sell-offs. I mean, we just need people saying, "Yep, you know what? Just check everything in. I'm going to put more in. I'm going to put more in," and that's when the market will react and try and take care of some of those with the greed. So blue chip. Let's have a look where we are. So what did we have over here? Um, you know, quite a good sell-off there, wasn't it, on the daily? Turned into a buy over here, and what we've been going ever since. Where did we need to focus our attention? So initially we were looking at AVE, and then ADA just overtook everything. Over here we had AVAX VeChain, which did have good moves at the time. You can see AVAX poking up here, and then what we had was the X movement. So it was XLM, XRP started having a really good push here. ADA had this pullback, but then they all kind of went together. So since then, I mean, what 38 it was like 130% on some of these, like even ADA was 60, is like yeah, 80%. And then yeah, XLM is just really going for it. Ah, wow, yeah, so cool. But we have potential divergence. We have potential divergence on XLM and XRP, but there's so much strength there. Don't really care where we pull back to, unless some really big boys are pressing the sell button. Wherever we pull back to, we can expect an attack on the highs and things. Um, so yeah, into it. Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin's mixed for me. Bitcoin's mixed. Ethereum is a buy. Litecoin is a buy, but it's having a bit of a pullback. BNB looks like it's going for it. XRP looks like it's going to have another print on the daily. It's another buy. Um, yeah. XRP looking good. ADA, divergence over their relative price. ADA is mixed, isn't it? I mean, it can just keep going. I mean, these like should be selling off here and they're just grinding. So they're being bought up. Um, Neo mixed. V-Chain sell. Not to say that it's going to get smashed down because it looks like it's flattening off there, so it'll just underperform. So maybe you can rotate funds into something else. XLM, yeah, same again, probably as what we'll see in a minute, where we'll just grind sideways. With the strength there, it'll just keep being bought up. Quant is a sell against everything else. It's a sell itself. Um, we did have some good strength there, still moderate strength. So yeah, look for buying opportunities on lower time frames. Band is a complete mixed bag. Link is a bit of a mess as well. Ave looks well. Let's start at the top again. Solana is a bit of a mess. AVAX a mess. Near is a sell and an underperformer. Comp is an underperformer. Might turn it into a buy, but it's an underperformer unless everything starts rolling. Atom is sell stroke underperformer, maybe flatline. And then Ave looks like it could be trying to make a move again. Bear in mind we had a push here. So let's keep an eye on those. Who's looking good at the moment? So the 4 hour. We have had another good push on Ripple. At what time was that? So that close was at 1 o'clock. Now we are at 5 a.m. So, and now we're actually like 6, 7, 8. So we're getting closer to another print there, aren't we? Um, Rolling into a crypto, that is the total, isn't it? Yeah, the white is the total market cap. So the total market cap's rolling into a bit of a sell on the 4 hour, but the daily's still going for it. And this is a daily here, still pushing. Bitcoin underperformer. So then this is where we really need to focus on what alts. Who's there? King at the moment, XRP, yes. ADA, yes, is pushing. But then this is where we might have some divergence on ADA and she might roll. So be prepared to protect your winnings so far. Bitcoin mixed, underperform. ETH mix underperform. Litecoin underperform. Yeah, XRP looking good. ADA looking good. Short-term trading, be aggressive, but be safe. Neo looks like it's trying to go. Can't see anything over here apart from Solana and ETH. Yeah, Solana, ETH. So we've got the three who've been outperforming everything. XLM, XRP, XRP, XLM, ADA, Solana, ETH. They're pushing, and you can see Neo is pushing there. So let's keep an eye on Neo. Let's double check yeah, messy, isn't it? Vet, sorry, VChain Vet is a buy, but mixed against other stuff, which ties in with the daily because at the moment the daily looks like it's going to underperform. XLM looks like it could roll into a sell, but this could easily just keep pushing because of the strength. Should keep pushing. Overextended maybe 1, 2, 3. Quant, yeah, Quant looks like it's going to try and have a push. Band looks like it could outperform most, but again, ADA and XRP are the best there. Link looks like it's having a push there on the 4 hour. Solana is messy, AVAX messy, near messy. That's my phone. Sorry, guys. Atom. No, sorry, comp. Yeah, comp's a bit messy, but could roll to and overperform. Outperform others. And then yeah, so Ave down here, a bit messy against those, but yeah. Mm, so I mean the obvious ones, XLM, XRP, and ADA, but I mean surely they're going to get tired. Let's keep an eye on the lower time frames of those. Boom, over to we're on the daily chart now of the movers. So the movers, we've still got Pepe, Doge, and what have you. Lots of divergence there. They have been bought. I mean, there's a lot of greed probably over there. I mean, who's selling? If everyone's buying, who's selling? Price needs sellers to move. And yeah, so uh, yeah, keep an eye on that. People just keep aping in, thinking Department of Government efficiency. So we're a buy on the daily on the bits, weren't we? We're flicking into the daily buy. What have we got? So fetch, flatline, nothing really exciting. Render is a sell. Inch is turning into a V reversal buy, which is tuck, tuck, tuck. Yeah, okay, so that could roll over. I like it when it's a V reversal, a strong V reversal. Underperform on Cass. Looks like Tau could roll, but then these could all flick straight. Let's have a look where Tau is. Yeah, she's still down here near the zero line, like fetches. They're laggers, but they had a really good performance not too long ago. So it's just, people see it, the smart money is just saying that an asset is expensive. When Fetch went from nothing to like $3, it's a bit like when the XRP went from 20 cents up to $3.50. It's expensive. It's like, okay, do you want to risk putting that in and lose 96% over the next 3 years and then have to wait another like 6 years for it to pull back? Hmm, something to think about. And then, yep, Cass Sui. Sui is still a sell. Everyone went into that quite large. I'm looking for this to turn into a buy again before I would even think about entering it. PolyX flicking into a buy again on the daily, but bit mixed. GRT sell. What was that? Is that comp? Oh, comp's already over there, isn't it? So I could maybe rejig that. Comp looking like could turn into a by itself, but underperform. Dot, bit of a mixed bag. Then over to the memes. So Pepe has been a sell these last few days. Looks like it could start rolling. There is the strength there. So this is where we need to start focusing on the 4 hours on Pepe. Could be a really good one. Sell, buy on Doge, but underperformance because it's had that huge move. So this is what we have to really bear in mind is, we have these huge moves. Everyone gets excited. Everyone starts to keep buying in whenever. And then it's like, it's just gets stagnant because, um, it's just on the huge move and smart money. Like, you know what? It's already done 1,000%. It's already done 400%. And they're not going to throw the big money in. Money will just keep cycling now. This is why this channel is so important to you and your finance and growing this part, growing your crypto pots, because we will find the movers. Down to the movers. Sell on Poly. Pull back for at least another few hours. So Fetch is having a push there, but not really looking strong enough for me there. Neo, sorry, Pepe. Dot, everything else looks a bit naff. PolyX was over here. Now we've had this pullback. Now we're pushing. So I want to see some kind of pullback and then a go again. Um, yeah, where are GRT? Underperform. Comp is a buy but underperform. Poly is a buy but overperform most. So Poly, yeah, does that lines up, doesn't it? Poly. Sorry, dot. Please scrap that. Dot the pink, looking like a buy against most everything apart from ADA and XRP. But this can soon start turning, can it? When people start saying, hey, XRP's done enough for the moment, she can have a rest. Pepe is going. Sorry. Doge turning into a sell on the 4 hour, underperforming against everything else. But yeah. And then the other dogs basically, yeah, underperform. That's the 4 hour. So where are we looking? We were looking at Dot, Ada, XLM, wasn't it? Who else have we got? Dot Ada, XLM on the daily. Not a lot. Pepe. Let's keep an eye on Pepe. And then over to blue chip. Yeah, XRP, XLM, Lend. So let's go and have a look at those. Let's do a deep dive. Now do the deep dive. Okay, so PolyX, sell. Buy over here. Bum, bum, bum. Let's go to Ave. and USDT. Yep. So let's have a look at AVE. Huge push there. Da, 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 da. Divergence, bit messy there. Massive underperformance against those two. Grinded into a sell. I need to rewatch the deep dive from yesterday. It'd be nice if someone else could make more notes. Um, yeah, AVE, nope. So let's have a look at XLM, USDT. Um, I actually just double checked if I was recording then. XLM. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Monthly and weekly, beautiful. Daily, beautiful. 4 hour, beautiful. Um, 1 hour, oversold. Strength though, the strength is still there, isn't it? The strength is getting stronger. So for me, we're looking good on XLM to push higher. Um, yeah, we might have a pullback here today to around the 27 level, but I'm not going to make any movements on those. So Stella looks good. Let's be serious. Look at that on the weekly, on the daily and the weekly. Unless we have some huge like reverse, XLM looks good. Okay, XRP, USDT. Yep. Hello. Monthly, good. Weekly, good. Just here, isn't it? Just fighting against ADA because ADA's performed that. Now, from when? 16th of November, last Saturday. XRP was a buy against everything. And then what did we do? Another 40%. So there was our sign, wasn't it? And then again, that was the 21st, turned into a buy against everything again there. And that was 25. That's another 15 cents. And now what? We're bullish. Yeah, we'll probably come back to around this level, at least 134. But again, strength. I mean, I'm excited. I'm excited about this. This is what we're talking movers. This is what's pinging on my wrist. Sorry, guys. XLM, XRP looking good. ADA, USDT. Yes, huge. Yes, underperforming here against XRP, you can see, but beautiful up there. If there was three coins I wanted to be in, it was those. I'm in a couple of them, so let's just calm down. Um, oh man, I'm super excited. This system is the absolute shizzle. If we're allowed to use that word, without my daughter frowning upon me. Where are we at? Let's have a look. Yeah, so where were we? What else was there on the movers? Someone remind me. Someone remind me. So Pepe might go for it. Um, and who else? Pepe. Yeah, let's go and have a look at Pepe. And then Pepe USDT. Yes. Let's have a look where she is. Okay, so underperforming against those two, isn't she? So she's done this huge push. She's grinding down quite aggressively on the daily, but she's found support here. So where do we go? Not enough data there on beautiful. Not enough data really there on the monthly, is there? To have our indicators. On the weekly, we're good. Looking good there on the weekly, apart from not a buy against XRP and ADA. Beautiful, beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, here's the sell. We don't want to be in a long here, do we? And now we're turning into a bit of a buy again. And then let's have a look here. So we've had this push and divergence again. So we'll come back to at least this area to 2100, a level. And then, yeah, I mean, difficult to call on Pepe. So that the movers I'm liking the look of, and they've got the strength there. You can just keep investing, basically. Um, do your own research. Yeah, they're looking good. The deep dive is pretty cool, isn't it? I mean, let's be serious. Should we have a flick around? Let's have a flick around. So where are we? Binance USDT. These have obviously gone. Let's see where the percentage change is. Okay, so they're all gone. Ciao, 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 ciao. You're all gone. You're all gone. You are the weakest link. Okay, so change minus that. Anything down here? UTK was a good one. Last. That was UTK was a payment provider, wasn't it? I want to have a look at that. So where are we? It's turning into a buy on the weekly, that's for sure. Look at that down there. Yeah, I remember it getting up to, I thought it got up to something like 140, but maybe not. UTK, it was like a payment provider for accepting crypto for businesses and things. Um, yeah, okay. So, why are you going a bit sluggish? What's going on there? Let's go. Okay. Oh, yeah, so look at that. All right. So, yeah, we're still bearish on the weekly, aren't we? We're not outperforming anything over there. Sell here. We're on the bottom side of this. Maybe a push back to the 4-3 level, but we need to see some action. Turn into a buy on the 1 hour, 4 hour crap. I'm sorry, not very good. Sui lost, 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 lost. Let's flip that. Let's have a look at you. So Luna. Is Luna still a thing? And is FGT still a thing? What is going on there? Troy. Hmm. Let's have a look at Troy. So Troy, oh, Troy's looking good as well. On the weekly, Troy is looking good. Pulling back there, but wow. Yeah, Troy is looking good. So 4 hour sell. Daily's just a buy. Troy. Guys, that is something to yeah, let's have a watch for Troy. Oh wow, we should be doing more of these, shouldn't we? Yeah, okay. Right, guys, I'm gonna release this video before it's like half an hour. Um, keep safe. Please like and subscribe. Comments in the comment section, obviously, and I'll reply or join the Discord. Keep safe. Questions, ask. Trade safe. Keep safe. All that jazz. All right, guys. Ciao for now.